Hi guys, it's Oleg from BeastGrip, and today we have an important update for you. As some of you already know, in May 2022 we released a new redesigned version of our best-selling rig BeastGrip Pro, and today we will talk about new upgrade kit that we made for all the owners of previous generations of this rig. If you want to have your BeastGrip Pro up to date and make sure it's compatible with all modern smartphones, plus get the best lens alignment and fit, you might want to get this new upgrade kit. This kit includes the whole lens mount assembly for your BeastGrip Pro and a spacer plate. In case your smartphone has a camera bump that does not exceed 2 mm or has a small camera bump, like a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or older iPhone models, all you have to do is remove your original lens mount assembly and place the new one in its place. Simple as that, with no tools required for the job. In case you have iPhone 13 and 14 series or other phone with a larger camera bump, in addition to the lens mount assembly swap, you will need to add a spacer plate. To do this, simply unscrew the lower clamp of your BeastGrip Pro, insert the spacer plate, and screw the clamp back in its place. This will ensure the proper alignment and distance from the camera module of your phone to the lens mount. If you are unsure of which BeastGrip Pro version you have, please feel free to contact our customer support with a photo of your rig and they will be happy to assist. We hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to know about all the updates and upcoming releases. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next episodes.